Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Piplup. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off in the middle and let's draw the beak. Let's draw two curves coming down from a point at the top. And then a curve at the bottom. And then move underneath and let's draw another curve. Next, let's hop to the sides and let's add the eyes. Let's draw a large oval on both sides. And then inside at the top, another oval. Now inside each eye, underneath, let's draw a curve down and back up. And now let's color both of these in black. Next, let's hop back in on top of the beak and let's draw a curve up and over on top of each eye. Next, let's move to the center and let's draw a V-shaped point up and then angle it out on both sides. And that's it for the face. Now let's move out and draw the shape of the head. Let's start from both sides and let's draw a curve down and curve it in, meeting at the center at the bottom. Now let's hop to the side and let's draw a curve up and around for the top of the head. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath in the center and let's draw a curve out and up on both sides. And then underneath, let's draw a curve down and in for the sides of the body. Now at the bottom, let's move to the center and let's draw a curve across in the middle, leaving a gap on both sides. Now let's hop to the sides and let's add the arms. Let's start near the head and let's draw a curve down and the same on the right. And then from the end, let's curve it back in. Next, let's move inside and let's draw two circles inside on the body. Now let's hop to the bottom and let's draw the feet. Underneath each of the gaps at the bottom, let's draw a curve like this. Then from the outside, let's curve it down. Now let's hop underneath the leg and let's draw another curve down and out to close off each foot. And then lastly, inside each foot, let's add two curves. And that's it for Piplup. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!